The Melbourne Foodie Culture Tour is a 4-hour walk. We experience the different people, cultures, and foods that Melbourne has to offer. So one of the main reasons that we're so excited about what we do is that we really like to break down cultural barriers. And one of the easiest ways to do that is to seat a number of different people from different backgrounds around a table of food and let them share that experience together. We start at the Immigration Museum, where we really like to set the scene of the different migrant arrivals into Melbourne, and then we basically spend the next 3 hours walking through the city, eating our way through this historic timeline. We actually finish at Big Esso by Mabu Mabu, which is at Federation Square, because what ties everything together is the First Nations people and the food that has been around in Australia for over 60,000 years.